The Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection delivers the tools you need to carry out your best work, and with key workflows all occurring directly inside of the Inventor canvas, you can collaborate more efficiently and open up new opportunities for innovation. Let's take a look at an example of an engineer and analyst collaborating to design and test a spot welding station. We start with the initial part open in Autodesk Inventor and utilize shape optimization to give us insight into the optimal shape of the part based on the function it will serve. With shape optimization, rather than iterating on revision after revision, you can predict what areas of the design are critical to the functional requirements of the part and which material can be removed and still function to specification. Ultimately, this can help you maximize performance of your components with the minimum amount of weight. An analyst using Nastran NCAD integrated directly into Inventor has a very efficient workflow. There's no file to import, no translation, or unmanaged data to perform his work to set up the simulation and generate the result. Once completed, the analyst shares the results with the engineer, who can interrogate the model completely, compared to the alternative of only receiving static screenshots because they don't have access to the simulation software. In doing so, they may find additional opportunities to improve the design. The engineer can easily run follow-on analysis to further test refinements to the design because the setup in Nastran NCAD is associative to the CAD model. We can perform similar workflows between an engineer and machinist to evaluate manufacturability. Again, machinists can easily open the Inventor file and program the parts to be manufactured using HSM's CAD-embedded CAM capabilities. They can also share that information back with the engineer in the same applications being designed in. So again, improvements can be made that result in faster machining times or a higher quality part. In short, the whole is greater than the sum of the parts, with pretty great parts as well.